First things first, I put my hair up so I can do my makeup properly. First thing is my Glow On primer. I put it all over my face with my fingers. The next is my liquid foundation. This is my Catrice HD Liquid Matte Foundation and I love it so much. There is no much left in there, so I must buy a new one, so you can see here.
You're shutting down, I smell her on you, I'm focused now, I know what's going on in your head, yeah, I know what's happened here in our bed, yeah, your phone is buzzing, so pick it up, I know she calling, so what the fuck, I should've known.
Now I'm using liquid concealer.
So here we are, and there goes the
This concealer is from Avon. It's like a brightening illuminator. It has some glitters in it, but it's not that visible, so you can use it like a normal liquid concealer. It's from Loom's Cosmetics, like contouring palette, but I'm using the bright side to set my face. Now I'm doing my brows with this eyeshadow palette. If you watched my previous videos, you know that I'm doing my brows with an eyeshadow palette. So there are two colors that match my brows perfectly, so I'm using that. I don't care if it's eyeshadow palette or brow palette, it's matching my brows, so I'm gonna use it. Now I'm using this Essence liquid gel transparent for my brows so they don't move during the day. Now I'm putting this liquid concealer as an eye primer so the eyeshadow will stay longer. Now I'm mixing these four colors to get the color I want and blending all that up. Now I'm putting this black color in my crease, so it looks like I have a kind of an eyeliner, but I don't have, so it's like darker that corner of my eye. And then I'm blending all that up. Then I'm putting this concealer again just to brighten that part of my eye. And then I mix these two gold colors and put it on that part that I put my concealer. And blending again. Then I'm putting this Maybelline mascara that I really love. And now I repeat all of this on the other eye.
You got it, so chemical. I watch you go deeper below. I want it a little more. Come give it all, nothing solo. Seasons grow with something I know. We just need to make it on time. I get cold the second you go. I never felt something so fine. Ah, baby, we could get it right, summer lady. You've been on my mind, I'm waiting. The moment you arrive, yeah, we could reignite high Fahrenheit. Ah, baby, we could get it right, summer lady. You've been on my mind, I'm waiting. The moment you arrive.
Now I'm contouring my face with darker side of that contouring palette from Looms Cosmetics. Now I'm using this 2K Beauty blusher. And in the end, I am putting my favorite matte lipstick from Maybelline.
Don't stop it. It's physical,
And it's all done.
so difficult, we could refine. I need it. Looking for that something more we could entwine. Seasons grow with something I know. We just need to make it on time. I get cold the second you go. I never felt
I hope you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!